How to reply to a comment on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reply to a comment on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook. Now choose your post or some post, for example this one, and this is the comment. Click on reply, and here you can reply with like this random seriously hey or something you want. You can also reply with a picture if you want this. If you don't want, just reply with a comment, normal comment, and click on done, and you can reply with this. Easy and quick, like I told you. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.